We're going to be talking about the 4 things that your money needs right now. Coming up.
Stay tuned.
Hey, I'm Talent.
And hello, I am Ty. We're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're teaching you how to have better money,
Become a better couple,
and live a better life.
Listen, so much going on in the world today, and I think that one thing that has come out of all that's going on is a lot of people have had a lot of time to think and reflect. We all have had a chance to slow things down just a little bit. And if you are like us, you've been doing a lot of thinking about not only the things behind you, but what does the future hold? What can we do today to make things different in the future? And we want to talk about what to do with your money right now.
That's right. This video, you guys, if you don't do anything else, I need for you to grab your family members, grab your kids, and let them watch this particular video. When we were thinking about this video for you guys, it really just rang even louder to us, or just hit home louder for us, especially due to the times and the situations that our country, this entire world, is actually going through. As never before, we want to make sure that we empower your finances. It's so important to us that we give you the information and that we equip you with the tools to be able to help you have a better future financially.
That's right. Now, we said we're going to give you 4 things that your money needs right now, and we're going to do that. You know, we are teachers at heart, and so we put these 4 things inside of an acronym. It spells the word paid.
It's time to get paid.
So each letter represents one of the 4 things. So let's get started right now. The first thing that your money needs is planning. That's right. Let me ask you a question. Would you ever in your life be in the city of Los Angeles and suddenly say, you know what, I think I want to go to New York City to get some cheesecake? You wouldn't just get in the car, put your key in ignition, step on the gas and go, unless you first consulted directions. Put it in your GPS. Because if you just try to get to an expected destination without planning out the trip, you could end up in Orlando instead of New York City. And the same thing can be said about your money.
So true.
You should have the same attitude. If I want this expected end with my finances, I want to be debt free, I want to build wealth, I want to be an investor, I want to leave a legacy for my kids. Those are all destinations, but you have to plan on how you get from where you are to that destination. Because if you don't put a plan in place, if you don't put steps in order in place, you're not going to get to the destination financially that you said you want to get to. So you must start with a plan. That could be in the form of budgeting. That could be in the form of an investment plan. That could be in the form of a debt payoff plan. But you have to put planning inside of the process, or else you're just going to be spinning your wheels and you're going to be sitting the same place this time next year with the same hopes and desires, but no progress.
That's right. So the next thing that your money needs right now, for the letter A in paid, is your attention. I want you guys to think about this. For those of you who were in school, either high school or even college, was there ever a class that you did not give attention to, and then what was the end result, right? Did you get an A? Did you get a B? Did you fail? Did you not pass or whatnot? You must give attention to your money. We're also likening it unto relationships. We're married. And that if he doesn't pay me any attention, if we don't have quality time, and we don't get to just get to know each other a little bit more, what can happen? It can actually be detrimental to the relationship. So your money needs your attention. You need to stop covering up your eyes. You need to stop saying, oh, I don't want to know what my credit score is. I don't even want to look at my credit report. Oh my gosh, I don't want to know how much debt I am. Oh, and don't even talk about, do I have enough money for retirement? I don't want to pay attention to it. And so sometimes we think if we don't sit down, if we don't actually physically, consciously think about our finances, that it's just going to magically go away. No, your money needs attention like never before. This is why we're also super excited, you guys, to be sharing with you all an amazing resource that you guys can get your hands on right now. It's only for the next 5 days. So this ends Friday, June 12th at midnight, and we're a part of it, you all. It is fantastic. It is called the Master Your Money Bundle. Go to hisandhermoney.com/MYM. We'll also make sure that we have the links in the description box below. But what's so great about this resource, you guys, it is 24 resources, 9 e-courses, there's ebooks, there's printables. There are something in there in this particular bundle that can help you in the area of your money. And you all, guess what? Guess how much it is? $19.99.
A dub.
What? Like less than $1 for each resource. We also included our personal book,
Yeah.
Money Talks, the ultimate couples guide to communicating about money. But there's information in there like a budget binder information. There's how to get out of debt. There's marriage and money. There's so much in there. Just go to hisandhermoney.com/MYM to look at the details. Now you must hurry up because it goes away Friday, June 12th at midnight. Don't email us. Don't say, Tanya, tell it I missed it. Is there an opportunity, you guys, for $19.99? Your money needs this type of attention. This is a small investment, very, very minimal. We spend that much eating out at fast food, or I don't know if people are going to restaurants. I guess depending on where you live.
They get that takeout.
Yeah, depending on where you live, it may be
Grubhub.
open. Here in Chicago, it's not. But however, we waste probably $19, $20 every single week, right? There's sometimes that you don't even know what you did with your finances. Take the time to invest in your money. You guys, again, everything that has happened as of recently, if you guys have been following us on our platforms, you guys have been seeing us speaking out about different things that actually affects us personally and our heart. And you all, again, we are in the business of empowering you with your money.
That's right.
We want to see families change. We want to see legacies change. We want to see marriages changes. We want to see you change. And we know without a shadow of a doubt, money talks, right?
That's right.
And so we want to make sure that you have the proper tools to get your money in order. So we want to help you. If you get this bundle, again, our book is included in this bundle and you won't be disappointed.
That actually leads us into the third thing that your money needs, and that is information. The truth is, most school systems don't teach us about money.
So
we
true.
just show up into adulthood and we're supposed to figure this out because a lot of us didn't have those conversations around the dinner table growing up either.
So true.
And so we lack information. It's not that we are incapable. It's not that we aren't intelligent.
Yeah.
It's that we don't have the information. And of course, we just mentioned this incredible $20
Amazing.
package that is packed with things about budgeting,
24 resources.
packed with things about getting on the same page
Mm-hmm.
financially, packed with things about saving and making money.
Financial planning.
Come on, it's there. Information is your
It is.
friend, right? The Bible talks about that. My people perish for a lack of knowledge. You need the information in order to make your money grow, in order to learn how to save your money, in order to learn how to get your credit to where it needs to be. It's not just going to magically happen. You got to get the information so that you know how to walk out what you need to do. Get the information into your money.
That's right. And the last one, a part of we want it for you to get paid, is D, which is discipline. You all who have followed our story for a long time, and some of you guys who have a lot of new followers, welcome. We are so happy to have you guys
What
to be
up?
a part of our big happy family. But right now, we are currently a debt-free family.
100%.
We pay off our home, you guys, $330,000 in just 5 years. And sometimes it's unbelievable for me
Yeah.
as well. And a lot of times people are like, oh, y'all must have made a lot of money.
No.
At the time, we only were living off one income.
One.
Right? Outside of the household. And that income was under 6 figures.
Mm-hmm.
So discipline. If we were not disciplined, we would not be sitting in the seat that we are today. And that's why we want your money to be disciplined as well. You all, we hope that you enjoyed this video. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment in the comment section below. Let us know which one of these areas, if not all of them, will be taking your focus and attention this week. Will it be the P? Will it be the A? Will it be the I or the D? We want to know. Hopefully all of you guys want to get paid. We want your money, guys, just to be stronger, right? To be wiser. And we want to see you all win in the area of your finances. Let us help you. Again, go to hisandhermoney.com/MYM. The links will be in the description box below. You can get your hands on 24 resources for $19.99 right now through Friday, June 15th, midnight. We want to see you there.
All right, that's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Till next time. Peace.
Bye, y'all.